Blood collection from the cephalic vein is a very common practice in veterinary clinics, and this is also a common site for IV catheter insertion. It's important in this position for the holder to make sure that the animal is still, especially the front leg. The holder occludes the vein for the procedure while blood is being collected, then applies gentle pressure to the point of venipuncture for a few seconds after blood collection. It can help to have a third person distract the animal if needed for the procedure, but it is typically quite painless. Most animals will resent the restraint more than the actual blood collection. The holder will use the arm holding the caudal aspect of the animal's body and reach it over and around the animal to grasp the forelimb furthest away. The holder will point the thumb medially toward the area between the dog's forelimbs, exert pressure with the thumb, and roll the grip laterally to occlude the vein. The palm of the hand cups the elbow to ensure the animal cannot jerk the arm out of position. Once the blood has been collected, the holder places the thumb over the needle insertion site and applies pressure for 30 seconds to allow a blood clot to form. The venipuncturist will need a syringe with needle, alcohol, and blood tubes to perform this task. The size of syringe and needle and blood tube types depends on the samples needed. While the holder is occluding the vein, the venipuncturist should palpate and/or visualize the vein. Then, alcohol is squirted lightly over the area, or the area is swabbed with alcohol-soaked gauze or cotton. The venipuncturist will hold the paw with the non-dominant hand, aligning the thumb next to the vein. With the dominant hand, the needle is inserted, bevel up, at approximately a 20-degree angle into the vein. The needle should be inserted completely in the vein if possible to provide additional stability. There will be a flash of blood in the hub of the syringe, and the venipuncturist can slowly and steadily draw back on the syringe plunger to collect the blood sample. Upon completion, the restrainer will apply gentle pressure for about 30 seconds to the insertion site while the blood is being transferred to the blood tubes.